Good day, my name is David Venter. I'm from South Africa, 32 years of age. Got a lot of farm experience. I'm a small farm holder. I've got experience in crop farming, cattle farming, pig farming. I've got excessive experience in all kinds of tractors, John Deere, Case, you call it, I can do it, but my main focus is Case tractors. Most of the time I operated 50A, 70A, 100A tractors. A lot of implements, essential implements I can operate as well, like grain carts, chisel plows, shape planters, balers, all of that stuff. I've got a lot of experience with corn, cartoon, soya beans, wheat. So yeah, I've got a lot of experience in cattle farming as well. Can do breeding programs, tagging, dipping, branding, calving, check the quality of the cattle to ensure that next gen, it's a proper gen that we are providing. And same with the pigs. I can do exactly the same with the pigs. I've got a lot of experience in heavy vehicles as well, like semi-trucks, like Scania Volvos, Freightliners, side tippers, back actors. All of those, I've got a lot of experience in them. I know how to maintain them. I know how to service them and all of those stuff. So yeah, hope this video finds you well.